Hey everyone, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an iPhone photo to JPG. So let's get started. Now, first thing you're going to do is find the photo in the Photos app. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a photo. So open up my recent album, and let's say I want to change a format of a photo like this one here, right? I'm going to basically copy this photo first by opening it up, clicking on these three dots or this arrow up here, and copy the photo. Now, once you have copied it, we're going to go ahead and exit out of the Photos app and go ahead and open up the Files app on our iPhone. Click on Browse here, and then you want to select any of the location. Doesn't matter, whatever the location is. I'm just going to choose on my iPhone. And right here, you're going to press and hold in any spot like this until you have this option that will paste. Again, all I'm doing is just pressing and holding in any spot beside the files that are there. Then I'm going to click on Paste, and it's going to paste that photo for us, and I go ahead and open it up, and then I'll click on that share icon again here and then save the image again, and then go back to the Photos app, and I have another app, and now if I swipe up, I have basically changed the format to JPG or JPEG here, and that's how you convert an iPhone photo into JPG. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.